In anatomy this week, we are also going to revise week 1 to 9's work that we did in class. In week 1, we learned about everyone looks different. Everyone looks different. Some are tall, short, plump, thin, blonde, dark, and so forth. Even though we have 2 eyes, a nose, 2 arms, and so on, we still look different. Although we are the same, we also speak different languages. There are more than 6,500 languages spoken throughout the world. Only identical twins look alike. This is because they develop at the same time. We are different so that we can recognize each other and not get confused. In week 3, we learned about babies and belly buttons. We all begin life inside our mummies as a tiny egg. Most babies spend about 40 weeks growing inside their mommy's bellies. A baby can hear noises from around the mother's belly. It can hear you talking or laughing even though it's inside mommy's stomach. The fetus, which is the baby, is protected in a sac of liquid. The cord that attaches the baby to the mother is called the umbilical cord. Did you know fingernails begins to develop when the baby is about only 10 weeks old? The fetus cannot eat or breathe until birth, so it gets food and oxygen from the mother through the umbilical cord. In week 4, we learnt about life in a bag. Your skin is a fabulous bag for your body. It's stretchy and waterproof. Your skin helps control your body's temperature and protects it from germs. Your skin is also about 2 millimeters thick. Everybody has a unique set of fingerprints. No one's fingerprint is the same. Did you know you sweat to stay cool? But a fingernail-sized patch of skin has between 100 and 600 sweat glands. If you spend lots of time in a swimming pool or in the bath, your hands and feet will become wrinkly. This is because the water has soaked into your skin. In week 5, we learned about a bag of bones. Bones protect your internal organs from damage and it acts as a frame to hold you up. Your muscles are linked together by muscles and tendons to make up your skeletons. More of a quarter of your bones are in your hands, and an adult has 27 bones in their hand. If you break a bone, an X-ray will show the doctor what is going on beneath your skin, because without the X-ray he won't be able to see. An adult skeleton has 206 bones in their body. Your bones are full of blood vessels, nerves, and cells. A joint is a place where 2 bones meet. It helps in movements. In week 6, we learnt about hairy stuff. Your hair and nails are made of the same thing. It is called keratin. Your hair and nails are only alive at the roots. That's why it doesn't hurt when you cut them. Hair grows on most parts of your body. You have 100,000 to 150,000 hair on your head. Can you believe that? Fingernails grows 4 times faster than toenails. Like hair, your nails are made of millions of overlapping plates of keratin. Head lice love to cling to hair, suck your blood, and lay their eggs. If you have itches, you may have head lice. That's why we always have to wash our hair and make sure that they are clean. In week 7, we learned about Move That Body. When you step forward, you use about 200 muscles. You have at least 600 muscles, and they are responsible for every move you make. Your muscles are made up of bundles of tiny fibers. These fibers are thinner than a single hair. As muscles contracts, it gets shorter and harder. As it relaxes, it gets longer and softer. Did you know your face is full of muscles? You use about 17 of these muscles to smile and about 40 muscles to frown. So my opinion is we should rather smile. To help your muscles get bigger and stronger, you need to eat healthy protein. This means you need to eat eggs, meat, cheese, and beans to stay healthy. In week 8, we learned about Pump That Blood, which is your heart. Can you feel your heart beat? This is your heart. Your heart opens and closes about 100,000 times a day. That's a lot, hey? Your heart is protected by your rib cage. Your heart is also slightly to the left of your chest. It's not in the middle. Your heart has 4 chambers. Your heart pumps blood through your body. When you run, your heart beats faster. This gets more oxygen to your muscles. Blood is made of watery liquid called plasma. Red cells, white cells, and fragments of cells called platelets. Last but not least, in week 9, we learnt about a circular tail. Your heart pumps blood around your body through arteries and veins. Arteries carry blood away from your heart, and vein carries blood towards your heart. An adult blood vessels stretch 100,000 kilometers. That's very long, hey? As blood travels to your lungs, it picks up oxygen. This makes the blood lighter in color. When it releases oxygen, the blood goes darker. Your fingers and toes are the coolest part of your body. Your brain needs a constant supply of oxygen. Your brain is also the hottest part of your body.
That's all, folks.